Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you a simple registration system for beginners using Laravel, Blade and SQLite as a database. Now let's see how registered form is working. If you use an email that is already registered, it will show you an error. And we have option to hide and show our password. As you can see, this email has already been taken. Now we have successfully registered. Let's log in with our email. Now we are in a dashboard page. And here you can see your name. And we have a logout button. That's it. Now let's see how we can get the free source code. You have two options. Option 1 is directly get the code in my repository and give it a star if you like to. Here is the complete guide for what you have to do to install the project. If you can support me, you can do it by this affiliate link, which is same as this, will give you the same repository, but you have to go through some affiliate ads by this website. By completing the requirements and keep clicking on the continue and get link and wait until everything done, you can give me a free support by this affiliate link. Let's explore the GitHub repository. In the Readme file, it contains a complete guide for the project and all the requirements you need to have in order to install the project. First, you need to have Git, and also you need to have PHP if you don't have Heart, and you need Composer also, and you need 7z in order to unzip. This is the installation steps, everything step by step. Hope you enjoyed, and before we end the video, please give a star if you like the project. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.